Hello and welcome back, my creatives. I am Elizabeth, and today I'm going to show you how to do the prompt drop that I did the other day. So if you go onto the Party Favorite Club, which is a club that you are part of, I'm hoping, you go into the community, and then you go down and you look for the prompt drop. So if you can see, every time I post something, I will have a little tag to it. So the prompt drop that I'm talking about is this one, prompt drop back to school name design. I want to show you, we do have Shauna Hiles who participated and did her own. This is a beautiful image. So basically what you're doing, guys, you're grabbing the prompt, you're putting in the information that you want. In this case is your name, or it could be the student's name, or it could be your child's name, your grandchild's name, whomever's name that goes to school or is part of the education system. And then you will get an image like this. So this looks like a very high quality image that you will be able to print. So you can print it in a 5x7 or 7x5, or if you have like a printer at home and you want to do an 8.5x11, you could do that as well. Or at school, print it as an 8.5x11. You can use these as frames to put in the classroom. You can use these as names to use on lockers. So if you want to promote this to sell, perhaps one of these, you can always say, hey, I can create the name of your child for your child's locker. And then the mom or the teacher is able to print it out and you get paid for this. How much can you charge for something like this? You can charge $5. No big deal. You can say, I can personalize this with your name for only $5. Just an example, okay? But thank you so much, Shauna, for participating. So I want everyone to participate, guys. So go ahead and grab the prompt that I added onto your classroom. And then we're going to copy this, right click, copy, and then we're going to go to your ChatGPT, or if you use Midjourney or whatever AI platform you use, and you will go paste. And once you go paste, the only thing you have to change is this section here. So the name of whomever this is for. I have inserted my name, Miss Cordero, and then I'm going to go and send the prompt. All right, here comes my name, Ms. Cordero. This looks absolutely amazing. So I invite you to create your own. It could be your name, it could be your child's name, your grandchild's name, your student's name, and just make something very fun for them now that they're back in school. So as you know, I am a high school teacher, so I'm also preparing myself for my school year. So I hope everyone has a wonderful school year. So yes, as me being a teacher, I will be adding products or examples or information for teachers because I'm a teacher. But our focus here is party favors. All right. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching this really quick tutorial, and I will see you next time.